Hey, what's up everybody? So here I am here in the beautiful Austria, surrounded by loads of majestic mountains, particularly that's over there. This is the village I'm staying in. It's called Söll. I shall put a link in the description box below of the place. So today I've just come for a little bit of a play. This is usually completely covered in snow. It's literally everywhere now, as you can see the snow line over there. So I've just come to this small cross-country track that's usually well looked after, but it's been a bad year for snow. So I brought the Kyosho Blizzard out just for a little bit of a play around, a little bit of a blast. Run a couple of batteries through it. I may even get the lift up. The lift runs up there. Go up to the middle of the mountain, have a play around up there. But I don't know, see how it goes. I've had a little bit of a play with it now. Oh, just a bit of a spoiler alert, it's not very fast, even though it does run on 3S. It's geared fairly low, but like I say, I could fix that for next year. But for now, I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start. Alright everyone, so I had to cut that a bit shorter than I really anticipated. I got the Hot Racing 86 tooth spur gear, and unfortunately it is no more. The pinion gear has just completely destroyed it. It was meshed correctly, there was no reason for it to go, but you know, metal on metal doesn't always go down well. So I'm going to try and find the original plastic one. Like I said before, I struggled, but I'm going to have to try. So I do apologise for the video being a lot shorter than I anticipated it to be, but you know, these things happen. So until next time, we'll see you again.